Hello, I'm Bob Ravenscroft, System Vice President and Chief Marketing and Development Officer for Bryan Health. I get to work with volunteers every day and see their vital role up close. They are such an important part of our team. They set the tone for the experience our patients and families and guests receive. Last year, nearly 500 volunteers worked with the staff in a variety of service areas at Bryan Medical Center. Whether it's helping patients navigate our hallways, playing the piano for families in our lobbies, or passing out warm cookies to guests in our waiting areas, volunteers share their time and talents to help others during what can be an unsettling time for patients and their families. We are so appreciative of the difference our volunteers make here at Bryan Medical Center. Their compassion, dedication, and their selflessness displayed every single day are noticed and are crucial to the mission and vision of Bryan Health.
We could not do our jobs without the volunteers. They just greet all patients with a smile. They have a positive attitude. They want to be here. They want to help people. If they see somebody that is having trouble getting around, they're the first ones to grab a wheelchair, and they just really make them feel at ease. They really do become part of our family. We really get to know them and appreciate them.
Our Bryan volunteers are truly invaluable to the organization. Therapy dogs are brought up to our unit to provide comfort to our patients. Oftentimes patients are away from their home, they're away from their own pets, and so that comfort dog can really help to support that patient going through trying times. We also have comfort hand volunteers to massage patients' hands and provide them with comfort. They truly bring the light and the joy to our patients and to our staff and families.
The emergency department is a very busy place, and we see a lot of patients throughout our departments. We rely on our volunteers to help us with the tasks that need to be done throughout the day. Our volunteers will be out in triage, and they'll greet patients and take patients back to rooms. They will help us clean rooms, turn over rooms so we can see more patients. When I see them, I see a smile on their face. I feel that they are compassionate people that are there to help our community and help our organization, and they really are there for the right reasons.
The volunteers are so important to the patient populations that we serve. When a patient and their family come to the hospice unit, there's this beautifully colored blue blanket that's been handmade, draped across the foot of the bed. They're able to use it for comfort while the patient's there and transitioning. And then it's just a beautiful keepsake for their family to be able to take home with them after their family member dies. Our volunteer program is so extremely important at Bryan Health. You know, I think they have each found a passion, something that they're great at, something that the world needs, especially at Bryan. And they're just so kind and caring. And so we really appreciate the smiles, the hugs, the warmth that they exude, and just their knowledge and expertise.